Now for item 2 of ICT, that's ICT paper 2, okay, for enable samples. Remember our paper was here, our paper was reading. Let's go back now to item 2. Okay, item 2 is here. Right, what does item 2 say? Item 2 is saying that Katama market is the largest market in Ruengo Town Council. Traders from neighboring villages bring produce like tomatoes, okay, beans, cassava, onions, and vegetables to sell. Okay, the market is supervised by the market manager, okay, whose responsibility is to monitor traders, okay, activities and collect daily market dues, ensure proper record keeping and goods are sold in the market. The market management uses the counter books, calculators, and records to compute daily returns. Okay, this is now what you want: total quantity of produce sold per item. Okay, total quantity of revenue, total revenue, and per trader. Okay, and now daily trader. Okay, tax per trader is 2%. Okay, then they want, we said the tax collected from traders is submitted to town clerk daily. Okay, then saying is the tax collection, the management wishes to design receipt books for different categories of traders depending on the total revenue. These receipts books will also be managed by different tax collectors who will be given names of traders for respective categories. For example, blue receipt book for those ones above 600 and above. Then there is green receipt books, those ones between 400 and 600. Is red receipt books, those ones 400 and below. Then they are saying an organization that supports women has approached the market management requesting for statistics about female traders. Okay, yes, and their daily revenue. Okay, so the market management has a model of rewarding the best performing trader of the day based on daily revenue statistics. Okay, then they say due to increased number of traders, it has become difficult, okay, for the management to quickly and accurately calculate the daily returns from the market. This has raised concerns from the town clerk's office. They therefore need assistance. What assistance do they need? They need to organize the data provided in the support file marketvendors.docs, okay, and provide information needed to guide the market management. Okay, remember with item 2 of ICT UNEB 6, you have to approach it with 2 approaches. That's Excel. Okay, Excel. You have to use Excel or what we call spreadsheet. What we call spreadsheets. Okay. Then if you don't do this one, Excel, also use database. Okay, use database, what we call the Access, Microsoft Access database. Okay, so we are going to go and see how we can generously look at this market vendors docs in our support file, and we see how we can at least help with this management. Okay, to identify people to get the receipts. Okay, and also to get the total produce per item, to get the trader revenue, and to get the daily tax. Okay, plus also getting the female traders and their revenue and the highest vendor. Okay, you go again to your item 2. Okay, what I want you to do is one. First to go, I think you find your support files. Okay, under support files, Find under support files. UNEB samples. Those support file. This is the market vendors. Okay. So this one was given into a PDF. Okay. How do you turn it into an Excel? I'd advise you right click. Okay. Open with. Then go to Microsoft Word. Okay. After going to Microsoft Word, it is going to open for you as if it's a table. Okay. As in you can see it here. This was it in Microsoft database. Okay. But in Word, this is how it looks like. Okay. Then select it. Okay. So selecting it, select the whole table. I would have said come here. Okay. Select it, Control C, copy. Then go to your item. Go to your item 2 now in your folder. Okay. In your folder, go to item 2, right click, make a new Excel file. Okay. You can say marketing vendors. This first leave it at that one. Okay. Open it. When you open it, then you look at this first cell. Okay. Right click and paste. Okay. So it has pasted. That is it. Then we need now just to modify it. Okay. Modify it, or just I think I have to select everything. Okay. And I come here to wrap text. Get it. Then I start by making this one at least fit in the names. Okay. These ones. Okay. These names. Okay. And these ones. Okay. This one they tried to merge folders, but I want to unmerge them. I want to unmerge them. Unmerge them. Okay. This one also unmerge it. Okay. Even this one unmerge it, please. Unmerge it. Unmerge it. Okay. So that I have this one here in kilograms. Okay. This is it. Kilograms. In kilograms. Right. First here, I delete that one. Okay. What do they want here in the paper? One, they wanted us to find total quantity produced sold per item. Okay. Then total revenue and per trader. Let's first start by total revenue and per trader. Total revenue and per trader. Total revenue and per trader. Come here. Now what do? We say equals. Okay. This one. Okay. Then you multiply it by this one. Okay. The items times their price. That is it. Then you right click and scroll down. You would have got now total items and per trader. Next, for this one of let me show you this one revenue, the quantity of produce sold per item. Quantity of produce sold per item. I think we can use a sum if. Okay. Go to use sum if and we get the quantity of produce sold per item. I can now come here and create some little space. I say, remember we are looking for total quantity of produce sold per item. Okay. Total quantity sold per item. Okay. Then I come here. This is tomatoes, not so. I start with tomatoes. I want to know the quantity sold for tomatoes. Okay. I just come here, I got here. I think here where is the auto sum here? I'm here, more functions, okay. Then I look for sum if, okay. It's going to ask me a range. I give it from down here, okay, down up to here, okay. Then the criteria, I want it tomatoes, okay. Tomatoes, give it the right spelling, okay. Then here the range, remember I want the quantity sorted, so I come here, I give it this range, okay. I say okay. So they sort 740. I go again, I look for beans, okay. I come here, go there, okay. That is auto sum. I don't need auto sum, I need sum if, okay. More functions, again sum if, so okay. Again range from there, okay, to there, okay. Then here I want beans, right, I come here to the range, I give it this one, okay. That is it. I go there again. Now I want maize, okay. Maize. Come here again. Some functions, okay. I got some if, this is the first one, okay. I bring from here where maize is, okay. Criteria, I want maize, okay. Then here quantity, I want from here to there, okay. And I click okay. Then they sort those ones, okay. Then I also have another one, vegetables, okay. For cassava, first for cassava, I have again sum if, I look for cassava, range, it is from here, okay, to there, get it. Then here criteria, I give it cassava, okay, cassava. Then here some range, I give it from here, okay, up to there. I click okay. I go again, bring vegetables, vegetables, right. I bring again here some if, okay. Then some if I go bring from vegetables, okay. Then I bring from here, no, the range is from here up to here. Criteria is vegetables, Then the range, I give it from here to there. Click OK. Remaining is what? I have cassava, I have vegetables, there is onions, onions. I come here, okay, orange, start from here. So come here in this range, looks for onions, okay. Then we say the criteria should be, when you find the onion, okay, onions, what should you do? Then go to this range, okay, and pick their number. Click OK. It's going to find them and add them, okay. So these are tomatoes. This one I can choose to board it, make it something, it's like a heading from others, okay. So that is it here, okay. Then what else do they want? We have finished this one, okay. We had finished this one. Then daily tax revenue per trader, that is 2%. Then you come here, you say daily tax now, okay. This one, let me reduce it, total revenue, I think per trader. Then here I call it daily tax, okay? Remember it was 2%, so say equals, okay, 2, bring the percentage, shift percent, okay, of what? Then you say percent of the total revenue. Sorry, Z. I said say equals, okay, then bring the 2 10%, okay, then say times, okay, this one. You get it? That is the 2% of the day revenue earned per trader. Then you click OK. Okay. Then you can come here and scroll, autofill what has remained. You get it? There you have it. Alright. Next time when you see this, first put all everything into an orderly manner. Okay. And you made this one, make sure make them to cover some formats there. Okay, can give it some little. Okay, this first leave that one. Okay, first answer the question now. This one we have finished it, this one we finished it. Then we have to go now to give the receipt to see who's the one that are going to get the receipt. Said come here, these are receipts now. Okay, receipt books. Come here, that's a if, because, okay, if, pick that if, okay, logical test, if this one, okay, greater, okay, or equal to 600,000. What should we do? They said we give them, it's a blue receipt, blue receipt, okay, it will blue receipt. Another one, it would be again, I say if, okay, doing another if again the same cell, okay, greater or equal to 40, okay, 400,000, comma, what should I say? I should give them, they call that green receipt, green receipt. I give them green receipt, okay, comma, what else? Remember now we have 3 criteria, those are above 50, 600, and those are above 400, 600, and those are below. So I just bring now those ones below the else part, okay. If this one, if it does not meet these criteria, then what should it bring? Okay, then it should bring red, okay. I think that's what it was said, bring red receipt, okay, for those one below, okay. Then you say red and bring in the parentheses, okay, count them 1 2 because of the 2 ifs, then you cross, okay, then you click enter. You will have blue here, okay, and you can now continue up to down, okay. It is also good, you can also put it under borders, okay. We have finished the receipt now, get it? Let's finish the receipt. Let's now get female traders, okay. And the female traders, I just do the sorting, okay. Come here, do the sorting, filtering, I go under gender, I get only female, not so. Say fine, okay. Then I copy everything what is here, okay. Copy it, right click and copy, bring this side, okay. So you can make them, sorry, I didn't copy, so if I need to go back and copy again, okay, right, come here, okay. So those are female traders, right. I just merge it, I say female traders and their revenue, okay. Revenues, okay. So that is it. What else did they want? What else did they want in the question? They've got returns, you have calculated their returns, you have given the receipts, you have got the number of daily tax revenue, total quantity, okay. I think that is it. maybe we can also find the maximum. Okay, let's come this side, and we also first remove the certain filter. Okay, the filter here, then we find the maximum here. Maximum earner. I come here, the maximum under total revenue, I say maximum. Okay, it's equals, okay, max. I look for that maximum. Okay, I want to find the max from here up to the top. Okay, and that max is for 1.2, and 1.2 is beta madi. Okay, so this is, I can come here and right click him, I say beta madi. Okay, let me see, beta madi is the one with the maximum. Let's leave it there. I just come here and say beta madi. Okay, the one with the maximum revenue. Remember, they wanted the maximum revenue, maximum earner. This one is not there. Just clear the content. Then remember, you have to give it the heading also. Okay, you have to give it a heading. Right click, insert, put the heading here. You can say merge. Okay, and you call it Katama
market
vendors statistics. Simple. Okay, make it a heading, make it bold, Uganda insert the, you see, that is it. Bold, and maybe change its color. Okay, change its color. I'm going to change it maybe to blue. Okay, increase it, see that one. Okay, then what else? I can bring out something like what we call you see, a chart. Okay, so for me to get out the visual analysis of the data. Okay, let me bring a chart over here. Get it? Neons, I can go and say recommended charts. Okay, so that they know that please, in our market, what is majorly produced here is now the maize. Okay, you can say here total. You see, it is total quantity of produce per item. Okay, you can also add there axis titles. Okay, like that one. Then come this side, I also add this one, that one. This is produce in kgs. Yeah, produce in kgs. Produce in kg. And here, align it. Sorry, Z. What have we done? You see? Okay. This is produce. Produce. Okay. So we can also grab it and bring it here down. Okay. So that is it. And we name this one as female traders. Female traders. Okay. Even here, the daily revenue can maybe correct everything, got conditional formatting. Okay, come database, you see, I choose total revenue, or come scales, okay, color scale, have that one. On this side you can apply conditional formatting according to this one. It's also conditional formatting, database, and maybe here, okay, and that is it. So you can also make it more vibrant by giving it a color, okay, and increasing what you see. Alright, then we now look at the output. You can say if you want to print, that will come out. It won't come out of everything. Let's first push it, okay? Let's first push it aside and make sure. What if instead of pushing it aside, then we change orientation to landscape? Even in landscape, it won't come very well, so we want to reduce the gender, okay? Reduce your name, okay? And maybe this side, kilograms, okay? Applies, okay? Right, okay? Then these receipts should be in good tables, okay? They are there. So this is our Excel work. We have a chart, a little table there of what they wanted, okay? We have some of their working here, get it? Even here we have applied the red sheet and the blue sheet, okay? We have also got the traders here, female traders, okay? Right, that is it. You can say, you can rename it to Katama Market, Katama Market, okay? And this one you can save it. Remember now, after having this one, still this one can come out of here, okay? Right, like that one. So we have still now forget now. Let me see it's now that we'll go for the references, okay? Go for referencing, market vendors. Go for the referencing. What do I say by referencing? You come and insert, okay? This is what we call we're supposed to apply some footers and headers, or maybe just in case we forgot, just come here. First remove duplicates in case we have duplicates there. Remove duplicates in case they are there. You see, let me select everything. In case I have a duplicate, it can come out. Remove duplicates. Apply. It's fine. Okay. So that is it. I don't have any duplicate. Get it? So they didn't give us any picture about the second number, so we don't put some pictures. But if we had it, we would have built a logo and so on and so on. So here, you just come, data validation, no, review, no. What I want is page layout, okay? Or just come here and say headers and footers, headers and footers. It will come, you see, footers and headers, okay? Then it comes here, right? Now I don't want to put a footer, I want to put a header, I want to put a footer, okay? So I can put a footer as my name as personal number. Get it? If I told you a personal number, you know it, put that index number, and that is it. You can also add the date, okay? Add some date there. Right click, you see? Just leave it and okay. that is it. This one is saying it is very big there. I just want to cut it off and bring it in the footer. Okay, and there it is good. This one I can copy something like that. Okay, and that one, that is it. Is our work. Okay, this looks like okay, this is page number. But here we normally have sheets that we don't normally give the page numbers. Okay, there. So at least this is a little bit of Excel. Let's go in Access and we'll see what we can also give it. Okay, because when you now try to print out, you will see everything coming well. We have that one. Okay, then we have also our graph. You get it? So 2 pages, a graph page and the group. Then if you don't also want that one, you can still bring it the same. You can still bring it the same and pick this one. This one. Sorry. Bring it and so it's there. Then even this one. Or we put it on one page. Get it? Because this graph can also be transferred. How? Let me cut this one, okay, and bring it at the beginning here. Okay, then I bring my graph. I also cut it. Okay, I can have one page. Okay, bring my graph. I cut it. It's too big. Okay, maybe if at all we can reduce its size, but still it's big. It's big. Let's leave it there. Let's leave it there. Okay, let's hit the main there on the second page. Okay, that will be good. Let's leave it there, which is still good. Painting, you can be able to see it on your page too. Even for the other ones of females, come here. Okay, be able to have it. You get it? So that is it. You save it. Now this is item 2. You can also save it. Katama, marketing, tenders, analysis. Analysis and give it. Let's save it. Okay, that one again. Close it. Remember here again, this one we don't need it now. Okay, have a good one. Then we now go to Access. Right click, go to Microsoft, Access Database, say Katama, bracket, vendors. Vendors. Okay, then open it. Okay, click on enable content, then click on external. Okay, data, then you bring an Excel one. Okay, Excel one, go to documents, bring for me, and we go direct. I bring the other one that I have just done, and desktop. In my support, in my folder, okay, item 2, data. Okay, click OK, open. Show Katama market. Click next. The first heading should be the column. I say OK. I say next. Should be the data types. I want to change them for myself. I just say OK. Choose my own primary key as well as primary key. Katama vendors market. Okay. Say next. I leave it as that one. Click OK. Next. Cannot have another. Okay. I close. Okay, so it is here. You get it? Now,
how have you done it?
I have just shown you how I wrote it. Let me delete it again. You see? You can delete it over this subject when it is open. Let's close. Let's delete it. just go to Excel, okay, here, under external data, Excel, go here now, find it, get it in browser, get it, and then open, okay, okay, and here is it yourself, click next, first row, click okay, okay, next, then Katama market vendors, statistics, this one, next, 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 okay, I'll finish it, okay, and cross, okay, so it's here, so we have this one, and the by the under now this one, let me see, should be now, let me see, we can choose, because now we made the first column, the first row to be heading, it brought this one Katama and this one as if it is our as if it's our header. So I can choose to come this side and make some edits. Let me show you some edits. Just come here, okay, little bit of editing, so that I will go back. Just come here and change that one, just cut it. Actually, let me delete it. When you delete it, then I just go back and bring it. Now let me go back Excel, okay, to database. I close it. I'm doing it so that you can know better, okay, you can understand better. So you come here, go there, here, okay, and now get it. So okay, when it comes Katama market, choose that one, okay, so around, okay, choose our primary key, okay, and now click next, finish, next, okay. But do not forget, let me go back to my analysis here, okay, and I click go back. You get it? So it can bring my work there, not so. And I can click save. That is it. Now under here, I can now form what they wanted. I can query out female traders, okay, create a query, a wizard, female traders, okay, close. Female traders, remember they wanted what and what, female trader, the vendor name, okay, the gender, what they produce, okay, you can maybe bring everything, okay, amount, the price, okay, the total revenue, okay, plus even the tax they pay, okay, and their receipts, okay. I start with that one and run my query. You get it? And I call it female traders, okay, female traders, okay. What else? I can create a form, okay, and using Katama market, create a form for entering those data, create a form, okay, for entering this data. First and foremost, this Katama market, vendors, form, vendors form, okay, select it, and maybe put it here and there in the middle. You get it? What else? I can add here my buttons, next and so on. So by adding a button, just go to design view, okay, go to design view, and I add extend here a little bit, okay, this one, add here some buttons, okay, this is a button, okay, I say open. So buttons are code operation, add new, okay, I say text and I say new, okay. go next, I finish it. New, I can also choose to extend it. Okay, I can have a button save. Okay, I have a button save here. Button save, it's a record operation also. Click on save, next, and save the record. I choose just the save button. Okay, next, and finish. Get it? I can have button delete. Okay, can have button delete. Okay, bring your button. Okay, it's a record operation. Delete record. Next, and I say delete, but I choose delete. Okay, can click it, next, and finish. This one I can bring it on top. This one I can now choose to edit its font color. Okay, and I see it is add new, put it on green, save, then put it on green. Okay, and this one let me put it on red. Okay, done. I want to put it on red. Not the font color. Font color should be white. Then everything. Red. Africa red, something like that. Okay. So if customer market. Okay. It's fine. And when I go to view, from view, I have something like this. Okay, get it? Alright. I can also what else? Create a report on our customer market. Okay, let's go to create. First open it. Let's create and report. Okay. The report I go straight away here. Report. Okay. Remember, I've done everything in Excel, so here just polishing it up. I have a market table, I have a query. Okay, I have a form, and I have the report. Okay, the market report. Then I come here, right click, and now go to design view. Try to reduce them. Try to reduce them. This one is enough. I reduce it. Sorry, I just wanted to select everything, and now I'll reduce it. Okay, so still they are not fitting. Still they are not fitting.
Most of the time,
That is not fitting. Okay, still we can go with that one. Let's go and view it in the report view. Anyway, let's go with that one. Okay, this one can come in the middle. Design view. This one. You can choose to bring it here in the middle. Bring it in the middle. Okay. Put it to the center. Put it to the center and then I don't know. Then after, I think this is, you can view it in marketing reporter. It's done. So you have a report, you have what else? What else do you need here? I think then because I did everything, well, okay, in the other number. So here, that is it. Generally, maybe if at all you have a question, maybe also have a code from a logo. We would have put a logo, but we have not provided it in the sample materials. Okay, so that's why we cannot put it. Okay, equally from the report. Okay, so that is it. Then you can cancel, then save. Okay, report. Okay, then what would have been last is saving it, saving everything and sharing it, printing your work. Okay, to the saving everything to your CD. You get it? So that is it.